Hello to everyone. Today we will talk about quantum physics that is spoken and wondered everywhere. Although quantum physics emerged towards the end of the 19th century, it became popular today. The reason for this is very interesting information that emerges with the developing technology. The definition of quantum physics is exactly a sub-branch of physics that follows the behavior of subatomic particles and light. In the quantum world, many different things are being done than our world, and most of them can seem ridiculous to us. For example, in our world it is twice 2 4, but in the quantum world, it can be 5 or 0. A curtain is placed behind a glass with a single slit, and an electron bombardment is made on this glass, and as you can guess, a single line is formed on a curtain. Instead, a lot of lines are formed in waves. Then scientists do not understand this and send electrons one by one. Interestingly, more than 2 lines are formed. When scientists later send a detector to the back of the slot, 2 lines appear as if they understand that they are being watched. Then scientists say that there is an unknown energy here. And they call it dark energy because they know nothing about it. As a result of the studies, it was claimed that the subparticles that make up the atom are two-dimensional. Based on this information, the question arises as to how a three-dimensional thing can emerge from something two-dimensional. There is two information about this. The first one is the hologram theory. There is knowledge and we are a hologram. The second theory is Elon Musk's computer game theory. According to him, the universe is made up of the codes of a very advanced computer. But there is no data to support them. Quantum physics works very differently from the classical physics. It can approach the nucleus, move away, change direction at once, or even in 2 places at the same time. Quantum computers have been produced based on quantum physics. The aim of countries that have spent years to do so is to produce a computer that can perform super processes using quantum physics. And so many secrets that human beings are curious about the universe will be revealed. In the next video, we will make a detailed explanation to quantum computers and examine their relationship with artificial intelligence. Hope everything is yours. See you in the next video.